you just need to change. This is the model. Okay, yellow. We have three models here. Okay, all train on yellow V11 with different classes. Okay, this one has 6 classes, this one 11 classes, this one has 31 classes. Okay, but the 31 classes is having the problem is like data set, maximum of the images are only classes with the garbage and others are very less. Okay, that's why it is showing maximum garbage. These two are having like good number of images for all the classes, like six. This in this six and this 11 in this images are good. Okay, in this both, but just the video we need to have the good one. Okay, which contains this all these classes. Okay, so what you need to do is like whenever you want to use any model, you just change this. Like this one right now is like yellow 11 6 classes. This one this model. So I'll just change to 11. Okay, and save it. Okay, so now this model is will be used. Okay, so you just need to have to do whenever you change the model. Whenever you want to change the model, just change this model name. Okay, and that's it. And run whenever you say using different model. Just close the uh, code like from the running. Okay, like from the terminal, close it and run again. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.